What makes a man attractive in the eyes of a woman? It's the age-old question that every man has asked himself. If there's anything you can take away from blockbuster movies, it's that almost nothing is impossible when it comes to matters of the heart. Learning how to make a woman fall in love with you starts with building up your confidence. If you carry yourself like you're on her level and fully deserve her, that's how she'll see you. As for how to spark that interest and curiosity, I'm here to answer that age-old question and get you on a path to the success with women you want. If you're needy, you're not attracting women. Needy behavior is an instant turn-off because it communicates a lack of self-respect, self-love, and self-confidence. If you want to attract women, you must be able to hold your own and not come across as clingy or dependent. A high-value man doesn't need attention and validation from anyone to know his value. He recognizes his own value and makes a conscious effort to appreciate the value in those around him. As a result, he will attract women because he comes across as secure in who he is and how he moves through the world. And this means he can be trusted to be himself, unlike a needy man who will do and say anything to get the attention he needs to feel good about himself. That will not attract women. What does it look like to be needy? When you first meet a woman, you can come across as needy if you respond to her texts immediately. It conveys to her you have nothing going on in your life and your number one priority is responding to this relative stranger you just met. You also look like a needy man if you never disagree with the woman you're talking to. Women tend to be suspicious of people who agree with everything they say because humans unconsciously understand everyone has different beliefs and opinions. So if you agree with everything a woman says, it conveys that you prioritize wanting her approval over being true to yourself. And that means you can't be trusted because you're choosing to deceive her rather than express how you actually feel or think. Adopt confident body language to attract women. Out of all the attractive traits to have, confidence is the one irresistible trait if you want to attract women. And most women can tell right away whether or not you're confident just by looking at your body language, including your facial expressions. For example, if you're fidgeting or making yourself look small in your environment, women will see you as lacking confidence. So the first step to attracting women is to adopt confident body language. Keep your body movements calm and controlled. Make yourself big. Make eye contact. Don't be afraid to take up room and claim the space immediately around you. If that's difficult due to feeling nervous or uncomfortable, take slow, deep breaths while focusing on the sensations in your body. Can you feel your feet? This will help you relax and allow that confident body language to come out naturally. Improve your body language with this one easy exercise. If you want an easy way to improve your body language and confidence, remember the art of charm doorway drill. Every time you walk through a doorway, imagine there's a string attached to the top of your head. Picture that string pulling you up until you are standing straight. Then roll your shoulders back and down. Rest your hands at your sides. Don't cross them in front of you. This makes you look defensive. And don't put your hands in your pockets. This makes you look smaller. Smile with your eyes. Think about when you have a genuine smile on your face. You can feel the skin around the outside corners of your eyes scrunch up. This is the kind of smile you should be wearing. If you practice this drill every time you walk through a doorway, you will be exuding confidence in no time, and women will notice. Take some pride in yourself and your health. Women's Health magazine covered how women feel about meeting guys at the gym, and in that article, one woman stated that she liked meeting a guy at the gym because it meant he cared about his health. Women intuitively seek out men who are healthy and take good care of themselves. Call it nature's way of bringing together healthy breeding pairs, but it is what it is. If you want to know what makes a man attractive, taking a hard look at your physique, how much you take care of your body, and how well you present yourself will do you a lot of good. Get her laughing. Every girl wants a guy who can make her laugh. And there's no better time to prove you have that ability than at the beginning of the conversation. Get a girl to smile early on and it'll help her relax and feel comfortable talking to you, all while sparking that interest and attraction. One technique you can use to start a conversation and get a girl laughing is playful teasing. This is particularly effective because most guys are too insecure to playfully tease a girl right off the bat. By starting your conversations this way, you show you're not intimidated by beautiful women. You can get her laughing and show tremendous confidence at the same time, and that instantly attracts women. Know your goals and have sincere values. The real fact is this: women are attracted to a man with goals and values. It's better to know your goals and have real, authentic values in life before getting serious about attracting a mate. From a female's perspective, no goals equals no drive or direction. No values equals a lack of self-control or discipline. None of this is attractive in a long-term mate. Ladies like a man who knows exactly who he is, where he wants to be in life, and what he holds as important. Trying to create a relationship with a man who knows none of this can be tumultuous and questionable because she's along for the ride while you're trying to figure it all out. Whether it is instinctive or conscious thought, most women shy away from these men. Find your passions. Women are drawn to men who are passionate about something, literally, anything. It doesn't matter if it's playing guitar, starting your own company, cooking, reading, or traveling the world. As long as it's something you're genuinely interested in pursuing and you're actively making an effort to get better at it, that will come across when you talk about it, and she won't be able to resist that twinkle in your eye when you do. In fact, one University of Illinois study found that having any hobby improves your attractiveness to a potential date. Build sexual tension. One of the most effective ways to build sexual tension with women is through physical contact. Start touching early on in your conversation by lightly tapping the back of your hand against her elbow. If she's okay with that contact, you can gradually increase physical contact for longer periods of time in more intimate areas: shoulder, back, thigh, face. The key to knowing when you should touch more, or less, is to check for compliance. If she allows you to touch her, or starts touching you in response, then you can take things a step further with your touch. However, if she recoils or moves away when you touch her, then give her space. Build more comfort through banter and creating an emotional connection. When she's more comfortable, try again to build that sexual tension through physical contact. A high-value man is not afraid to pursue a woman he's attracted to, but he also shows her the utmost respect in the process. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, be sure to subscribe.